Are you considering full-mouth dental implants but worried about the cost? In Australia, full-mouth dental rehabilitation can cost anywhere between 40,000 and 80,000 Australian dollars. For many patients, that makes treatment difficult to afford. This is one of the reasons why more Australians are now choosing Turkey for advanced dental implant treatment. In many cases, patients can save up to 70% while still receiving treatment using internationally recognized implant systems and modern digital dentistry. Leading clinics in Turkey use trusted implant brands such as Straumann, Nobel Biocare, Bigo, Medigma, Ostem, and Megagen. The treatment process is straightforward. During the first visit, patients receive a comprehensive examination, a 3D CBCT scan, digital treatment planning, implant placement, and temporary teeth. After a healing period, patients return for their final zirconia or porcelain restorations. Even after accounting for flights and accommodation, many Australian patients still save tens of thousands of dollars compared to treatment at home. At Renova Clinic, every treatment plan is personalised according to the patient's needs, bone quality, and long-term goals. If you would like to know whether you are a suitable candidate, simply send your panoramic X-ray or mouth photographs for a free preliminary assessment. Your new smile could be closer than you think. Renova Clinic, Istanbul. WhatsApp +905 01 16 66 111.